Welcome back to Smart Money School, where we make smart money move simple. Today we're talking about saving hacks that actually work. Not the tired advice you've heard 1,000 times. These are real strategies you can use starting today. No spreadsheets or starving required. Stick around to the end because I'm sharing one powerful habit that can boost your savings automatically. And it's totally free. Let's start with one of the most underrated money hacks. Hack number 1. Automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Have a percentage of your paycheck, not even just 5 or 10%, automatically transferred into a separate savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. You won't miss it. And over time, it builds real momentum. If your bank doesn't support automatic transfers, use a savings app like Chime, Ally, or Capital. Hack number 2. Create a no-spend day each week. Choose one day a week where you don't spend a single dollar. It might sound small, but over a month, that's 4 days of zero spending. Over a year, that's 52 days of savings stacking up. It also makes you more mindful about when and why you spend. Hack number 3. Use the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, especially online, wait 24 hours. No impulse purchases. Just pause. If you still want it after a day, fine. But 9 times out of 10, you'll move on, and your wallet will thank you. Hack number 4. Rename your savings account. This sounds silly, but it's a mindset shift. Instead of savings, call it emergency fund or future house or dream trip. Giving your money a purpose makes it harder to raid and easier to grow. Hack number 5. Cut hidden subscriptions. Go through your bank statements and cancel anything you're not actively using. Unused streaming platforms, app renewals, gym memberships. They're quiet money killers. Use tools like Rocket Money or Truebill to spot and cancel the waste. Hack number 6. Pay yourself when you save. Anytime you skip a purchase, like making coffee at home instead of buying one, move that money into savings immediately. It turns a small decision into a visible win, and it reinforces positive habits. Hack number 7. Use cashback apps. But wisely. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Ibotta give you money back for purchases you were already making. Just don't let them tempt you into buying things you don't need. Remember, cashback only works if you were going to buy it anyway. Hack number 8. Turn FOMO into FOGO, fear of going over budget. When friends invite you out and it's not in the plan, it's okay to say no. Set your priorities, set your limit, and be proud of it. Your future self will be grateful. Bonus: the 52-week saving challenge. Start with $1 in week 1, $2 in week 2, and so on. By the end of the year, you'll have saved $1,378, almost without noticing. Reverse it if you want. Start big in January and ease off in December. The truth is, saving money isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. You don't have to earn more to start saving more. You just have to shift your habits. Start with 1 or 2 hacks from this list, then build from there. And remember, if you automate it, you don't have to think about it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to Smart Money School for weekly tips on saving smarter, spending wiser, and building real wealth. See you next time.